I'm Mark and this is James and welcome to Epic Confections. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. This week on Quarantine Baking with Mark and James, I wanted to make a banana split brownie pizza. Very easy, very quick, super fun for the kids. Let's do it! So to start, I have a few ingredients here. I have an 8-inch round cake dish, pie dish, the same dish that I did my tray bake cakes in. I do have a boxed brownie thing here. Y'all know I'm cheap. Y'all know I don't want to really make a brownie from scratch, so box. Anyway, we'll see how it tastes. I have some chocolate syrup, some strawberry syrup, and some walnuts. For this specific recipe, on the back of the box, you do need a 1/4 cup of water, 2/3 a cup of, which one? Yeah. 2/3 a cup of vegetable oil and 2 eggs. So, let's get this brownie party started.
Do we need a bowl?
Yeah, we can get a bowl. So I'm just gonna open up my pre-made brownie mixture here. Usually people use scissors, but
you like to be difficult.
Yeah. If y'all hear my cat in the background, just ignore it. So just pouring this into my bowl. So I'm just gonna be adding my water, vegetable oil, and eggs right in there. Water, eggs, vegetable oil. James is gonna mix that up. I have some Pam cooking spray here, and I'm just gonna spray my pan. Done. Done. Throw it in that old pan there. So just pouring that mixture into the pre-greased pan, and then we're gonna be putting it into the oven at 350 degrees for about 35-40 minutes.
What's grease lightning?
Oh, FYI, we gave each other haircuts because we can't go get our hair cut. James is wearing a very fashionable
because you won't cut the top of my head.
80s
headband.
And anyways. Alright, throw that into the oven. We'll be back in a bit. So we just took our nice thick brownie out of the oven. It was in there for, what, about 45 minutes? Yeah. But it's so nice. We just chilled it in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Next, we're going to be putting a layer of strawberry ice cream on it. So next, I have some cut up bananas. We're going to use those as pepperonis. But before we do that, we're going to throw on a little strawberry sauce.
I don't like a lot of strawberry sauce. Oh, okay. We're putting a lot then.
Yeah. And then we're gonna place our bananas, kind of like pepperonis.
Now, how thick did you cut your bananas?
I like a nice thick banana. Ladies, am I right? Next, we're just adding some maraschino cherries. Wherever you want. Then we're adding on a little bit, just a sprinkle of some walnuts, all on top.
Or any nuts that you like.
Any nuts, pecans, anything you want.
Almonds.
Yeah. Last but not least, a little chocolate sauce.
And I'm assuming if you're not serving it right away, you can put it in the fridge or the freezer?
Yeah, the freezer. You can totally freeze it. That's it. That's all. Your brownie banana split pizza is ready to serve. Just cut it up, serve it. Easy, fun for the kids. If you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Stay healthy, stay safe, and we will see all y'all next week. Mwah!